Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to manage the Vibrate settings on the Zangi app. If you want more control over your notifications and avoid unwanted vibrations, this guide will help in just a few simple steps. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner. Then, in the settings menu, find and tap on the notifications option. Here, you will see three separate vibration categories: message, group, and call. You can choose to turn off vibrations for any one category or all three, depending on your preference. This allows you to reduce distractions while staying connected. Finally, after making your selections, simply exit the settings menu. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.